In today's video, you are going to learn my powerful strategy, the strategy that I have been using for the past years that have helped me to be a profitable binary options trader. So at the end of this trade, you are going to learn a lot. Do well to stay through to the end of this video so you don't miss out. Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today is another beautiful day to trade, and as usual, I'm going to take one live trade with our strategy, and I'm going to explain everything about the setup so you can apply the same when you trade. So if you are here for the first time, you are a beginner trader or you are a struggling trader, and these are the kind of videos you do like to see, or this is something that sounds interesting to you, go ahead and smash the like button so that this video can be recommended to more people like you who are also beginners and struggling traders as well. If you do like to see this type of content in the future, do it to also subscribe to the channel. Don't forget, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out in our next uploads. So that being said guys, let us get started. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to try to analyze the chart. You can see here that this is a very smooth uptrend situation because we are having series of highs. This is a high, this is a higher high, and this is a higher high. And in an uptrend, we are also going to be having higher lows and higher lows. This is a low, this is a higher low, this is a higher low. So you as you all already know, that those of you who have been watching my content, you would have heard me say that the market will in an uptrend will run and then it will retrace, it will run, it will retrace. In other words, it means that the market will run and then it will rest, then it will run and rest. The market will not just keep running. So when the market runs, it breaks a new level, and then when it rests on a previous level. Like you can see that this is an uptrend. You see that the market broke this level easily. Now it is going to rest again on either on this level or on this level. So what we do is we would wait for the market to get to wherever it wants to rest, and at the end of that rest we are going to go with the original trend, which in this condition is an uptrend. So for now we don't have any of these evidences to back up our claim if this market is going to continue to go with the buyers or not. We are going to wait to see when we have enough evidence to prove our points correctly that the market is still ready to go in the favor of the buyers. Now this is a retracement phase. I am quite sure that soon the market will reverse in this direction and we will go for a higher option, but until then we need to wait for proper weaknesses which will prove our points correctly, that we are not making mistakes. So this is going to take some time and we are going to wait. If the market refuses to respect this level, then I'm sure that it will fall down to the next level, which you can see is this very level, or it may use this previous or higher low swing to reverse. But for now we don't know what the market will do. All we can do is to wait till we have the market till we have proper weaknesses. Like you already know in real life explanation, if a car is moving in a very high speed, you cannot just stop the car just like that. It needs to slow down bit by bit until it will eventually stop. So we will wait until we have all the weaknesses that we need, which will suggest to us that the market momentum has reduced, and then we will see if we can have better opportunity to trade. But until then we can do nothing, we can only wait. So we are analyzing the 1 minute candle time frame, as you can see, and this is Euro US dollar chart, the OTC market. This is a weekend chart, and we will be trading when we have the chance. Our trade will be for a period of 5 minutes. So we will wait till we have the chance, and when I have the chance, I'm going to take the trade. And as usual, stay tuned, because after the end of this trade I am going to explain everything about the trade so that you can apply the same when you trade. So sit back, relax, and let's wait. So guys, I have placed this trade. I should have placed this trade on this candle, but was a delay, but I have currently placed this trade on this candle, and we wait to see the result of this trade. And at the end of this trade, I'm going to explain why I have placed this trade. So sit back, relax, and let's wait. So guys, we have finally won this trade at the very last candle. So let me explain why I took this trade. As we all know, this is an uptrend, and we all know that when a market is in an uptrend, it needs to run and then it needs to retrace. And then when the market was on its way retracing, I was thinking that the market should rest upon this level over here, but it didn't happen. The market came, it was trying to be deceitful because this was a strong entry from the buyers, and a lot of people would trade here and would have lost. So I would not personally, I would not trade like this, because I don't have any weaknesses that will support that the market has lost its momentum. And then you can see that the level got broken easily after all of this. Then the market broke it. Then I was also hoping that the next level should be this previous resistance or this previous support. The market also get here and easily broke this level. And then when I noticed that this level has been broken, I was also thinking that the market should at least use this level, which is the previous resistance here, but it was easily broken by the market as well. I was also thinking that the market should use this level, but it easily also broke this level. So when this level was broken, I had to draw this trend line. Now I drew this trend line and I realized that this has been respected twice in the past, and I was hoping that the market could respect this trend line. And also I also had a strong zone of support, which is this level. So you can see that this also is a strong support zone together with the strong trend line. So you can see that this is a very strong spot in the market that would easily reverse the market. So I was very sure that this area would reverse the market. So all I had to wait for was the weaknesses to confirm that yes, the market has lost its momentum, and then it should now continue to go in the favor of the original trend, which is an uptrend in this market condition. So another thing was, after these weaknesses, this was the entry that would have entered my trade on, but it didn't look to me like a proper strong entry. But at the end, it turned out to be a very strong entry, so I didn't place the trade immediately this candle finished. Instead, I took the trade on this candle, which for me is quite unusual. I usually trade like that. I would have entered my trade on this candle, but instead I took my trade on this candle. But I'm hopeful. I was hopeful that the market would go in our direction. This was my prediction, but you know, any slowness in the market, any loss of momentum in the market would have made me to lose this trade. But I'm thankful that at the end the buyers stepped in with this candle and we ended up winning this trade. If I have placed my trade on this candle, I would have easily won this trade without worrying about anything. But though I took the trade on this candle and the market was quite slow, but somehow we won this trade on the last candle of the trade. So I hope you understand the concept behind this trading setup, and you can apply the same when you trade. I have the trend. I had to wait for the retracement. The market was somewhere around here when I started, or when I came into this chart. I had to wait for the market to retrace properly. Then I had my levels, I had the trend line. I waited out for the weaknesses. I saw the entry from the buyers and I took my trade, and you can see that I have won this trade. So I hope you've learned something and you can apply the same when you trade. If you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button so that someone like you who is also a beginner trader or a struggling trader can also see this video, watch this video, and also learn something from this video as well. If you are here for the first time and you do want to see this type of content again in the future, then you should go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you do not miss out in this type of content in the future. So on this note, I'm going to leave you, and until I see you again next time, make sure you keep trading, make sure you keep working hard, and have a good day.